Meaning of disfigurement.
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 Disfigurement. Disfigurement refers to the condition of having one's appearance or shape altered in a way that is often permanent and negatively affects one's physical appearance. This can occur due to a number of factors such as injury, disease, or surgery. Disfigurement can result in noticeable changes to the face, body, or limbs, including scars, burns, missing limbs, or deformities. These changes can have significant psychological and social consequences, leading to feelings of shame, isolation, and discrimination. Treatment and support can help individuals cope with the physical and emotional challenges associated with disfigurement.